Pochita, there's a good chance I'm gonna die fighting a devil. My only regret would be leaving you on your own. What if you end up starving to death? Or some other devil hunter might kill you in cold blood? I've heard somewhere out there are devils who can take over dead bodies. If that's something you can do, then I want you to have my body. The Yakuza won't be on your case if you wait until I'm buried, right? Then you can leave this town at last and start fresh somewhere. I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death. You'll live the dreams I never could, pal.